In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Alibaba app. The simple truth is that you don't actually need to download anything to use Alibaba on your computer. Everything you need is available right in your web browser, and I'll walk you through exactly how to access it safely and use all the core features. Start by opening any modern browser on your computer. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari all work great on both Windows and Mac. In the address bar at the top, type alibaba.com and press enter. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the official site by looking for the secure padlock icon near the address bar. That helps ensure you're on a safe, encrypted connection. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner for the sign in button. Click that, then log into your existing account. Enter your usual credentials on the secure sign in page and complete any verification prompts you normally use. If your browser asks to save your login, that's optional. Choose what's most secure and convenient for you. After you're signed in, you can use Alibaba fully right from the website. Use the search bar to find products and apply filters like category, minimum order quantity, or shipping options to narrow results. When you find a supplier you're interested in, open their page to view details, ratings, and policies. From there, you can send messages to suppliers directly through the site's messaging system, request quotes, and discuss product specifications or shipping timelines. When you're ready, place orders and pay securely through the built-in checkout. The web experience includes the same core capabilities you'd expect from an app, including search, messaging, ordering, and payments. One of the best parts of using Alibaba in your browser is that no download is required. You avoid installing extra software, you get instant access on any computer, and you can keep working even if you switch between Windows and Mac. For quick access in the future, consider bookmarking alibaba.com in your browser so you can open it with a single click. Keeping your browser up to date will also help the site run smoothly and securely. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to alibaba.com, sign in, and you're ready to search products, talk to suppliers, place orders, and pay, all without downloading an app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get up and running with Alibaba quickly and confidently.